Hey guys, Joseph here. So a few days ago I reviewed this projector. This is a ViewSonic X10-4KE. It is a short throw projector, which means that you can project a 100-inch image from just around 1.5 meters or around 6 feet away. It has a beautiful picture quality with HDR support, 3D, excellent sound, even game mode support, and the black levels look fantastic with Cinegray 5D ALR screen from Elite Screens. Now obviously you can use this projector with any kind of screen you want, but if you care about having the best contrast and black levels, even with some ambient light or during the day, I highly recommend buying a Cinegray screen or an ambient light rejecting screen. So in this video, I'm just going to show you more of the picture settings this projector offers, because I noticed some of you guys wanted to see more in-depth about the settings. Now talking about picture quality, what about your vision quality? Check this out. Hey guys, Joseph here. Let me ask you a question. When was the last time you went to the eye doctor? Yes, the optometrist. Well, I spend many hours in front of a monitor to either gaming or editing videos, and I know a lot of you guys also spend many hours in front of your phone watching YouTube videos. I know because I do that. And for the time being that everybody is stuck at home, well, there's not a chance to check our vision, but there's always a solution. Now in this case, I have the Eyeque. Now this is a vision test kit that you can do at home. It's super easy to get fast results, and you can do as many tests as you want to yourself, to your family, to your friends. Now in the case, there are inside goggles, Bluetooth remote controller, the vision shed kit tool which works with Bluetooth, accessories for the goggles, and the pupil measuring system, and the instructions. Now you will need to download the applications required, which you can find on the Google App Store or iOS. I already ran some tests on myself. As you guys can see, my right eye is pretty messed up, but both of my eyes together are okay. Now you can check your vision acuity, color vision, and contrast. With the vision check kit, you can get your eyeglass numbers, and you can email the results to optometrists of your choice and get your new pair of glasses. In my opinion, this is a very high quality kit, super easy to understand. So if you want to know what is your vision status right now, definitely go check it out. I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video. It's $159, but I think it's worth every penny. I'm Jolster, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Jolster out. Alright guys, so I have everything set up, and I'll show you real quick all the menus, all the settings that we can find in this projector. So here is a file management, just in case if you want to save something in there, or maybe you want to use an SD card or a thumb drive, you can manage everything right there. This is the app center, Bluetooth, screen mirroring. You can also mirror your phone through the big screen. That's pretty good. We have the basic settings, and you can add apps, applications right here. One thing I noticed is that this projector uses the Aptoide. That is something similar to an Android operating system, but it's different. I don't usually use that Aptoide because not everything is updated here. Some of these apps don't really work properly, but you have the option right here. And I mean, you got entertainment, you got all kinds of stuff here. You can set up your settings. As a matter of fact, like I said, it's just I'm not really using that Aptoide center. So, but if you have the option, if you want to. So Alexa installation, you also can use your voice commands, Google or Alexa, just in case if you want to. Honestly, I prefer to use a controller, but you have that option as well. So over here in the settings, we have network settings, we have basic settings. Let's go and check this out. We have language, projector, projection, direction, just in case if you want to change that. The keystone, you can have a manual keystone or automatic keystone. This is really cool, just in case if you don't want to mess around with the keystone. Also, we have the same function with focus, manual focus or automatic focus, eye protection, standby, voice control. Oh wait, voice control. Oh yeah, we do have voice control as well. Let's turn it on. Let's see how that works, right? But in the meantime, let me show you the rest of the settings. So this here we have advanced settings, we have home, direct power disabled, CEC disabled. So CEC is just in case if you want to control other devices with the same control. Auto power off, 20 minutes, sleep. I mean, you have so many options. I am using the Harman Kardon speakers on this projector and it sounds amazing. I'm gonna give you a little demonstration in just a little bit. I'm using the movie settings on the audio. You can also adjust the audio equalizer to your own preference. User, oh shit, what am I doing? All right, let's go. And then we have movie. So we have movie and user. We have those two options. Auto volume, SPDF off, just in case if you want to use the optical audio. Light source level is having full. Echo and full, you have two options. High altitude, this is, I guess if you're in the mountains, you can turn that on. I don't know what it does. We recommend that you use this high altitude mode whenever your environment is higher than 1500 meters. No, we don't want, I don't want to use that. We can reset everything in factory, reset everything, and that's about it. All right, so here we have firmware update, date and time information, or we can actually fix date and time, automatic date and time on. This is the date. This is not the correct time. Of course, we gotta fix this. And I think that's it. All right. So now guys, so this is the home center. We can also change to different ports. We press this other button. We have the options down here. We have HDMI 1, 2, USB Type-C, USB Type-A. Then we have two options, micro SD and local storage. Right now, let's change to HDMI point number 1. So this is a 3840 2160 at 60 Hertz, and that is the picture of my Amazon Fire Stick. Right, once you get in here, you also have more options. Let me just show you real quick. We click the settings and we have image settings. We have options of movie. We also have gaming. So I'm going to test gaming, of course, in this projector. We also have user 1, user 2. So over here, it'll give you tons of different options. Brightness, contrast, color, temperature, red gain, green gain, blue gain, tint, saturation, sharpness, gamma, all kinds of primary control, red, hue, saturation. Man, you guys, so many options in here, just in case if you want to professionally calibrate this, which, I mean, if you're spending some money on a good projector, I highly recommend that. But of course, you can always just use your own preference settings. Let's change this to, so this is the brightest settings there is. You can change the brightness, contrast, and color temperature. And then over here we have TV, so just in kind of like a color setting, and then movie. So my favorite one is movie. I feel like everything is a good color tone, good brightness. Let's actually increase the brightness. Let's increase it all the way up. Okay, I see. Now I like it the way it was. I think it was in the middle right there. It's perfect. But as always, you can make this your own adjustments, right? And then let's go back over here. Let's go to advanced settings, and over here we have aspect ratio, frame interpolation. I have it. So this is just in case if you want to add like a more better interpolation. Some people don't like this because it's like adds this opera effect, but you can have it in high, or you can turn it off if you want to, or have it in low, middle, on high. I usually have it in middle. I do like it. So if you want to see everything a little bit more smoother, this is a good option. Now HDMI setting, have the range in automatic. I noticed if I put it on full, the whole image gets a little washed out. You guys notice? You guys notice the difference? So I do like it in automatic, or you can have it in limited as well. But I don't know, I feel like automatic is the way to go. And that's it. So those are the settings that you have in the picture. And I think this it is very solid. It has a lot of options so you guys can use. Oh hey guys, Joelster here. Thank you so much for sticking to the end of this video. By the way, did you enjoy this content? If you like this kind of content, if you like to support this channel, first off, make sure you like and subscribe, and also you can become a member. Just hit that join button. You get access to some of the emojis that I created, and also you get early access to some of my videos, the aftermath of the live stream that I do. But mostly just want to support this channel, hit that membership program. All right, I'm working on more videos right now, so make sure you stay tuned for more. I'll see you guys. Joelster out.